everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is this beautiful glitter eye makeup look with a pop of color on the lips as well. I am loving this, especially for warming up to Valentine's Day. I think this is a stunning look for your birthday. If you want to go out for a fancy dinner, this is just in time and perfect to start up the Valentine's Day look. If you want to see how I got this look, then please keep on watching. So I'm going to be starting off with my eyebrows. I think I'm warming up to that brushed up brow, but today I'm not going to be doing the soap brow. I'm going to be using the NYX Control Freak eyebrow gel. This is a clear gel and it is really good. I haven't used, well, I did use the tinted brow gel before from NYX, and it was not as strong as this clear one. So this dries hard. So once you brush your brows, it's going to stay in place the entire day. So you're not going to have any of those, you know, falling brow hairs. And for primer, I'm using the Pore Filler by NYX, and I'm just going to place this all over my face. Now using the Revlon Colorstay Full Cover. This is my wedding foundation. I absolutely love it. This is the shade 330. I'm just going to place this all over my face, just a little bit like that, and then just dot that on my face. I'm also going to just add a little bit on my eyelid, but adding concealer today on the eyelid, and just blend that out with a damp beauty sponge, beauty blender. Okay, for eyeshadow, I'm going to be going into the Off Tropic palette. This is by NYX as well. This is the palette called Shifting Sand. Now there's beautiful warm tones in here, which I love for summer. This is also such a beautiful palette for Valentine's Day. There's so many stunning looks you can do with this palette. Okay, so I'm going to go in with this orange shade right there. It's like a peachy orange shade. I love these types of shades, especially if I'm doing like a very nice smoky look. But I'm going to be adding this with this blending brush, and I'm just going to be applying it right above that crease. Can you guys already see how pigmented this is? Like, the NYX shadows are so good. I am so sorry if you guys cannot get a hold of any of these palettes or products that I do mention from NYX. Wow, there was a mouthful. Because NYX has finally closed down in South Africa and they won't be available here, which is such a sad thing, because like my story with NYX you all know, and you know, such an amazing company to close down here in South Africa is very sad for a lot of makeup artists and makeup junkies. It's just so sad that they're not going to be here in South Africa anymore. So yeah, I'm just going to be applying this shadow. Like, guys, honestly, I'm so shocked at how amazing these palettes are and their shades. Like, you don't even have to apply a lot because a little goes a long way. So I really love how pigmented these shadows are. So I'm placing it on the outer corner as well and just blending it very softly. Make sure you blend it very well, because you don't want a lot of color to just be stacked on that bone. You want a beautiful gradient of shadow there. I'm slowly just bringing that shadow right into the inner corner, right above that inner corner. So this is all going to be placed right at the top. It's our transition shadow, so we want to blend it as much as possible. Guys, I apologize for the lighting. It is such a dull day today and I don't have proper lighting, so I'm sitting in front of my window and I'm just using the light that I have, which is Daylight. Guys, I'm going to be using this thin precision brush here. It's like a square, a thin square brush, and I'm just going to be going in and cutting out the inner corner to cut the crease. Well, it's not really cutting the crease, but just like the inner corner and halfway. I'm going to be using some foundation, and I like using this to cut the crease because it is a nice thick consistency and it's really going to stick to that eyelid, and the shadows are just going to pick up beautifully. Now I'm going to go into this Rose Gold Nudes Beauty Treats palette. I'm going to pick up this rosy shade right here. It's such a beautiful pinky tone. And I'm just going to apply that to the inner corner. So next to that shadow, I'm going to be placing this Plum shade right here and blend those two shades together on that crease. So I'm not really taking it too far in. I'm just going to slowly just blend it together with that champagne color. But now for some fun, I'm going to be using the NYX Pigment Primer. This is going to hold my glitter in place. The glitter palette I'm going to be using today is the Dupe Factorie, the Holiday Edition palette. Now I'm going to be using this stunning shade right here. First I'm going to go ahead and cut the crease with this primer. Then, you guys, I'm going to go ahead and use my finger to place that color onto my eyelid. I'm not going very close to the top because I don't want to mess that cut crease. So I'll go in with a thinner brush, but I'm just going to use my finger just to cover up the entire eyelid. Go ahead with my thin brush just to make sure that I cover all of the spaces on my eyes. And you guys be very careful when you are placing glitter because it can get a bit messy. So I'm now going to use this shade right here and smoke out the outer corner. When you are blending glitter, make sure you use tapping motions because when you do swipe, it will remove some of the glitter. So remember just to be very soft with your hands. Going back into the Beauty Treats palette, I'm going to use this shade again just to bring back that those shades at the inner corner. And then going back into the shade right here next to that tear duct and blend it in nicely. I'm going to be lining my eyes with the NYX vinyl liner. I'm doing a basic winged eyeliner. Coating my lashes with some mascara. This is the I Heart Extreme Lash Mascara. It is waterproof and that's what I love. Gonna add my lashes and I'll be right back. That my lashes are on, I thought I'll just put in some earrings. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and just fill in my eyebrows a little bit. Just gonna go ahead and just like fill in any of those big sparse areas and try and make it equal. And I'm not using a heavy hand, you guys, just slowly making sure everything looks nice and seamless. So today I went in really light with the base. Now I'm just going to go ahead and just highlight underneath my eye using the LA Girl Pro Concealer. I'm really not going to do a very heavy highlight. Just going to cancel out those blue undertones. For highlighter today, I'm going to be using the NYX Born to Glow highlighter palette. This is the highlighting palette called, oh, there's no name, it's called highlighting palette. Okay, so I'm going to be, what shadow should I use today? I don't know, there's so many stunning colors here. Let's just go in for this one right here. It's like a mink type of shade. It's so beautiful. Fluffy brush and just apply it. Wow. Oh wow, in person it is so pretty. It has like a million different tones to it, so a lot of pink tones, well, pink undertones to it. Just apply that to the forehead. I'm going to use this tiny precision brush. I'm going to be using the same shade, mix it a little with that gold shade, and then just apply it to the tip of the nose. Apply it right there to that brow bone. I'm going to be using this liquid lipstick by NYX. This is called the Cherry Skies Cream Lipstick. So I'm going to be applying this on my lips. then gonna go in with the LA Girl Pro Concealer and just clean up the corners. Before I do anything else, I'm gonna go into this palette right here again, and I'm just gonna go back into this orangey shade and just smoke out just the outer corner. Going into that dark shade again, and then just smoking that right at the edge, the bottom lash line. Okay, lastly, I'm just gonna go in and coat that bottom lash. To finish up today's look, I'm going to be using the NYX Matte Finish Setting Spray. I'm going to be spritzing this all over my face. That is it for today's video. I hope you guys really did enjoy. I really did love how this makeup look turned out. If you guys do recreate any of my makeup looks, please tag me on Instagram, Facebook, and I would love to see and share your work as well. I've been loving the recreations lately on Instagram. You guys are so talented, and I love looking at all your beautiful recreations. And yeah, this is it for today's look. I am so excited to get into Valentine's Day looks. This is a very intense, dramatic look. If you guys are looking for a more soft, more neutral type of look, let me know in the comment section, and I'll definitely get something up for you guys. That is it for today's video. I love you all so much, and have a blessed day. And yeah, lots of love from me. Bye guys.